Okay, this is Wednesday, April 16th, day after tax day, 2025. So it would probably be Tplus26, and we're here on the beach at Hilton Head. It's a beautiful morning. Calm winds, but it's like 50 out, so sweatshirt and pants. I even brought my coat in case, but the winds are so light that it's nice just to be out here doing my stretching and strengthening. I was called to do some type of video this morning. You can see the waves are kind of small. I'm not exactly sure. We believe it's Savannah, so let's have a look. Can you see the horizon? Would it show up? Way down there. And out that way is a lighthouse. So what I found is that in the very, very early morning, when the sun is very, very, very low, so it's up too high now, I think all the haze and stuff, when the sun gets through the haze, you can't see, but if I zoom straight in, see that's at least that. And it's like super clear, early in the morning when the sun's just up. I think it doesn't get through all the haze in the atmosphere or whatever, the sea salt, whatever's out there, and you can really see it. And oh yeah, there's our good friend the moon. Just feels kind of like this relaxed expanse, like the ocean. Just kind of, I don't know, something just surfaced out there. I don't know what that was, but it had a dorsal fin on it. Yeah, so I guess I didn't know what I was supposed to talk about this morning. It just felt like I was supposed to put the camera out here and do some video of the ocean on a nice morning in April. Like, the world back home doesn't really exist. Like, it's just here, get up in the morning, do my yoga on the beach. It's like a different container of energy. It feels very nice. Alright, so let's see if I can see it. There we go. I'll try to hold still. So my wife thinks that's Savannah, Georgia. And let's just zoom out so you can see about where that is. It's like really far out. And that's all the way over to there. So I don't know. It kind of like emerges and disappears in the clouds.